Hello, I'm currently sitting inside of the Mercedes-Benz GLC class, GLC 250, with 8.4-inch command system with Burmester sound. Today we installed an Apple CarPlay into the existing system, which the car was meant to be having, so we just retrofitted with the CarPlay box along with our touchscreen panel, which you can tell it from here. So the CarPlay system gets activated by press and hold of the return button on steering wheel. So we are currently in the CarPlay at the moment, but when you press and hold it, it goes back to factory screen. And now you see there's a aux has been selected. So we actually retrofitted an auxiliary input into the car with the activation. So you'll be able to see it from along with any other media sources. There's auxiliary available, which has been selected now. So if you go to CarPlay, and then it will play any sound to the car speakers. As I said, it uses the touch screen as there's been touch panel has been overlaid. It's exactly the same method as a screen film protection for your smartphone. So it just overlays on top of the screen without any change or removal from the screen whatsoever. And down the track, if that has to be removed, you can just easily remove it. Maps with navigation. You can simply just type the address, or you can just do the voice command.
Where would you like to go?
Navigate to nearest petrol station.
The nearest one I see is BP on Dawson Street in Brunswick West. Want to try that one?
Yes.
Getting directions to BP.
As you can see, the navigation shows up straight away.
Starting route to BP. Head west on the route, then turn right onto Henkel Street.
Call Robert.
Calling Robert.
Hi, it looks...
Send a text to Robert.
What do you want to say?
Meet me up at 10 p.m. in Box Hill.
Your message to Robert says, meet me up at 10 p.m. in Box Hill. Ready to send it?
Send it.
I'll send it.
Yeah, so after CarPlay gets installed, as we said, the factory setup and every single feature that came with the car remain exactly the same. Therefore, for example, even for the reversing cameras, you do not require to go back to the factory screen with press and hold the return button. Simply, while you're in the CarPlay mode, when you put the car in reverse, it will switch to the reversing camera screen straight away. And obviously the dynamic guard lines and the surrounding view camera still works. And when you go back to the parking, it goes back to the CarPlay screen. Just pretty much a CarPlay retrofit the existing system with the high responsive touch panel, and yeah, your car will still remain exactly the same as the normal, and you can just enjoy the CarPlay to the car.